Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a super cute nail set that I seen on a Facebook group that I'm in. Ring that bell. I'm gonna do one coat of this milky white gel polish and then cure. Okay? Next, I'm going to take these two purple colors and I'm going to mix them with base coat so that it has that marbly effect. Now I'm going to go in with a top coat and not cure it. It's kind of like blooming gel. You're supposed to use a base coat, I believe. I think it works a little better, but this worked fine for me. I'm just going to softly lay these purple mixtures that I made and create a cute thing here. You see? I'm going to do my thumb in regular speed and then I'm going to speed up the rest. Because we don't like repetitive stuff over here. You know? I was trying to use this detailing brush to kind of space things out and it wasn't working very well. So I went back in with that ombre brush and that did the trick. You just kind of want to space it out a little. Make it sheer in some spots, not sheer in others. You get the point. Now I'm going back in with the milky white color to kind of give the white parts a second coat and then kind of overlapping the purple that I did. That way it looks a little more dimensional. Even though I said we don't like repetitive crap over here, I feel like this is still a little repetitive. So, people who watch my videos, let me know if I should just like cut to the end of doing all the extras instead of speeding it up, please. Thanks. Next, I'm taking this white gel polish and I'm going to set it on my little sheet of paper up there. And I'm gonna go in with a detailing brush and I'm gonna separate the purple from the milky white, give it a little bit of separation, and I'm also gonna put some white inside and kind of marble it. Alright, now I'm going in with this gold foil flake stuff and some top coat, and I'm going to not cure that top coat, and I'm going to put some of that pink foil stuff in the middle. Give it a little bit of dimension. Make it super cute. Now I'm going to take this purple color and put it on my little paper, and I'm going to take some base gel, and I should have just put it on the purple parts, but that's fine, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use that purple with a detail brush. You're going to see in a minute, I'm talking too fast. But I'm going to add some deepness to the purple and make it more dimensional again, because we like dimension over here. Duh. You see what that's doing? That makes it look so much better, don't it? I know it does. This is what she's looking like so far. Top coat makes it better though. But first, I need to clean up this mess because it was driving me crazy. Okay. Now I'm going in with this Joya Mia top coat, which I really like. I like how thick it is. Super nice. Makes it very easy to encapsulate stuff. And then I'm holding it upside down to, you know, pull all the stuff to the center. That's a good trick. I'm going to include all the products I used in the description box in case you guys are interested, and I'm also going to show my nails that I'm wearing at the moment in case you're interested because they're super cute. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. We about to see that shit. Look at it. She's cute. Okay. Dang. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Oh, them are my nails. Dang, they cute. Ooh. Bye.